last YouTube video, but today will be different because today we are going to play SCP roleplay. So again, who's traitor? Oh my god, no one is traitor, I guess, but I will be. Today's sponsor YouTube channel is Commander Shark Plays. He's talented in games, but he is my sponsor for the week. So yeah. Thank you for 6 subscribers. This is my special. Oh my god. Poke. Wait, is he actually in the game? I hope I won't fall for this. Anyway. Anyway, I think he's not in the game, but if he is, oh well. Dude. SCP. Dude, what the hell? I bad aiming anyways. So yeah. Yeah, he's not in the game. I thought so. Just pants sticking out. Whee! I don't know where I came from. I came from. Just kidding. I came from the roof. Anyway, I gotta make sure that there's no CIs. CIs stand for insurancy. Oh shoot, who the hell is that? Oh my god, I'm killing. Oh. Why is this like prisoner on the loose? Dude! Oh, okay, but still you. Ha! Gotcha, mother. Oh, here's my mom. Ooh. I don't care. For some reason, my tooth is acting weird, so that's why I'm pausing. I'm so sorry, guys. Dude, there's literally no one here. Okay, oh, that scared me. Hey, did I tell them that they're on a YouTube? I think I shouldn't because dude. Oh, that's just from his avatar. Okay. Never mind. I'll just guard out here for no CIs to come. I'll just guard. Is that it? Oh. Hi. This might be boring. By the way, my last YouTube was my channel first birthday. So happy birthday to my channel. Yeah. I'm very sorry that there's no comments. Sorry, I was wiggling my tooth. Is he? No, okay, I didn't think so. So actually, what's cool about this uniform that the nods go down. If you're one of the players, if you're the security department there, say hi, you're on YouTube. I'm just going to say, dang it. Hi. Dude, what the hell? everyone. Hi. No. Why? Yeah. Dude, I'm just going to aim at him because he bad guy. He bad guy. Anyway, I'm just going to jump in here for ambush. Ambush, okay? There's an ambush. Say something, Poke. Yo, now's my chance. Hi. Come on, let me say hi to them. Hi. 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 Dude. Hi. Hi. Sup? You're on YT. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my god! What? Huh? Huh? What's... Okay. The universe? Yo, he's going to sub. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, bye. Ha! He actually did it! Oh my god, thank you! Shout out to him! Shout out to him! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Shout out to you! Random game. Okay. Hello, guys. We are playing this awesome game, in my opinion. Solar Smash. Here is a nuke that I'm going to show you guys. This is absolute awesome. I'm sorry I'm using Earth. And if you time it up, boom, the Earth is,
Crocs, you get to show your person.